Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible, and you don't know the things said, people. Buzz Nation Cheese is out of Jamaica. Yes, the streets is talking, saying that she's in Mexico right now, making her way across to reach America, but we don't know how true that is on the America part. You know, I'm not in people's business. But Cheese and Twep Twep got into a little online altercation. You see, Cheese is saying that Twep Twep is bad mind and things, and you don't know the thing said. Our next little batty fish I'll talk up itself against Cheese. So this is what I'm going to do. Before I make her listen to Cheese, first let's listen to what she had to say in her story. Then we'll proceed listening to her live stream. So she said, when the hate get real and God said, hold them, good girl Cheese. I said, okay, daddy. Twep, buy a ticket. Bad man, I kill you. Do what you want to do, cause God miss it. And Cheese also said, from she a little girl, she a get a flight. Gang, remember, beat me, go beat me, come. So when me feel want take anywhere go, a firing your ear and run, go do live or call me name. I guess she's talking about Twep Twep them. So you don't know article slash, she said big shit out right, but and again people, you're going to hear a live stream. I'm just letting you know everything that go, you know. And this is what she's putting in her story, as you can read. She's telling them to eat shit, Twep Twep. Don't bad mind, don't call up her name, you know, and she's making fun of the rat batty man. You feel me? And all of these good things. So yeah, this is the last slide right here. So now we're gonna proceed. And like I said, I don't know where she's headed, but if she's heading to America, you know what I mean, a lot of deportees are allowed to go back to America. You know, I think it has to be over 10 to 15 years, then you can you know, reapply to enter the country. See what I'm saying? It's not like she didn't get deported from America. She got deported from the United Kingdom. So, but now the comment section explain to the people them if you don't know about these things and things. So let's listen to what she has to say now.
Twep Twep, we call all my name. I use nothing. Mama, you should have about 110 million in the bank right now. You know? What you think me I go do? Me not go lean in for your shit house. Me Cheese in all, you know, they tell Batman how you rub him out and deal with him. The whole of now birds of a fellow will flock together anyway. I don't care about that. But when me I say, a sister try leave a sister, no happy for me. Because if you be happy for me, only that never take live and talk all those things. Bad mind stand up in your forehead, Twep Twep. Bad mind stand up in your blood clot forehead. When I go talk about how me bring the bother, what me ever say about the bother? I don't know nothing about what I talk, say my friend. I don't know nothing at all about what I talk, say. But bring down my big down Batman because him bring me down. Where I talk about how bad I get at this? Eh? I getting at this on a bad mind. On a too bad mind. Bumble clot this man. I mean, never did I go lie, but one time me see it hurt me so bad, and me never did I go come cuss. But when me remember the germs like Twep Twep, I call all my name. I use nothing. Mama, you should have about 110 million in the bank right now. You know? Yeah, because you fuck from your tree. You sell oil from your tree. Mouth. All of your body parts ring right out. So you have to come and eh? So deal with that. So deal with that. Too bad mind youth. You wanna see people. Yeah, man, And that me want America do you. Cause you're going like say you're born a blood clot America. Your bad mind and anybody will look on the video there and say Twep Twep no bad mind. Oh, you're gonna make certain speech like that. Me can't do, girl, when me do you for you would want to bring me down certain way. When me do you, me I give a reason for the way you do me, I show you say me a real bad girl. When me there, me no afraid because guess what, I have how much time in my book you talk about immigration. Oh, immigration coming at this. Twep Twep your bad mind. You never did for find a punchline there. Everybody see say you're bad mind girl. Everybody see and know say you're bad mind girl in a real life. I can't believe say a sister from Jamaica bad mind and another sister. Oh, and she not foreign. Oh God Almighty man, the surf on the condition. It bitchish. It bitchish. Una run go try bring me. Una can bring down. You think I pussy myself for buy me ticket? And walk with a cup and say, collection. Girl, I nominate you to buy a ticket. I nominate you. I heard you on the live. I was there. And I heard when you, dirty teeth, thinking dirty teeth, Twep Twep come say cheese. Cause your teeth them dirty in your head, no blood. How would I thinking girl you ramp with? Where you spray almost spray in your pussy and it don't work out. You still have a dead hole. Jesus Christ Almighty God, me never see this yet. Me never see nothing like this yet from my barn out of my mama pussy and come. Girl, me tell you me not have nothing in your bad mind in me. You see what I say? Yeah. Me just have a rub out history. When me not ram for rub out girl like rubber. And dirty boy will try with me. And that when you hate me for, cause me are the realest. And that when you hate me for? Oh please bitch, you need to go and get a life. Go and I nominate you to buy a ticket and come here. Dirty Twep Twep. Dirty Twep Twep where they are foreign from Jesus was a boy I know Jesus is a big people me not taking no call. No call me not take. You see me? But if me go back to Jamaica anytime or anywhere me go and hide them turn me down or anything, what fuck you dirty girl? Me a man. Me is not like you. Me buy a car with data values. I'm a never there. So why you do it, drunk crow? Why you do it? I have values. Twep Twep you don't have nothing at all. It's an empty blood clot barrel rolling all over the place. All you can hear when you check it out, nothing. Hello, empty. I don't know what this big old empty slug. Things them wanna attack say them not right. You see it? The things them wanna attack say never did for come out on a blood clot mouth. You see a girl a try look how long me in the sun I get born. Mother blood clot. I'm going to take up thy shoes and run. And you mean to tell me say you hate me for that? You wanna run go on one small dirty island. A dirty fire in your day now. A dirty fire in your day now, little girl. Dirty fire in your day and grudge me we are try off a good clean fire in. You're too blood clot bad mind. You stink like shit. You come like every bad smelling poop will come out of my body hole, Twep Twep. I hear that. How we are ramp with stinking Kim on. Shitty pussy liquor girl. Liquor girl with a big old dirty blood clot hole underneath. Don't ramp with me, cheesy. Me a class you come on, you call who you call, cause you have a next guest coming. I have my money. Learn that. Fucking bright. A shit like you can ramp with me. Living in your dirty foreign and allow me in the clean foreign and leave me with my foreign self. You low life, dirty drunker, yo. And me tell yourself the truth. Oh, your friend I tell you about America and you don't want to go. Then that's better than America stinking girl. Your bad mind, a blood clot. Go! You bad mind me. Because me I go make it. Me I go show you me I make them video me when me I run. Go suck your mama because me need a moment there for cherish. Me say, listen, you gotta video me. When I run in, I want you video me. Okay. I need it. You send it to me. Yeah? Yeah. Good. Suck your mother. How are you dirty girl? Me not respond nothing about me. Blood clot. Oh. I don't know this amount and a giant blood clot church. And you come and call me name and you stinking sucker him out. Think say una go talk and frighten me. Listen to me, I can't tell I'm a blood clot done. Me not frightened so easy. You hear? So one bad vibes couldn't kill my career. Go suck on a mother. Boy, I say I'm lucky. I just threw me take off the ear and the whole of my head front pick up. Me didn't want to see me in a motion. A foreign me there. Me can't go and say in a foreign. Jamaica style like when head big and Lego man. You mad? Yet until my beard and clean off and come out. Strong like 10 blood clot batty man. And fix you know the real way. Cause me nah go cuss you know. But just I got beard, do me ear and get clean. Cause you don't like see that. I eat me I go use and beat you no bad. But you don't know how much beat the man them beat me and do my bad. I don't know lie me I tell. My story blood clot real. So when you go talk about sodomite and batty man, me not use that. Me cheesy? No man. Them things that we only drive that the demon day now, yo. Leave me alone. And the truth me I go tell the people them. Suck your mother. Bad bite, dirty bitch. And cheese at the sodomite and cheese at the batty man. So where should I go say? You bad bite. Where you don't come here with your long tongue? Try come here with your long tongue now. Egyptian she goat. When you come here with your blood clot, long tongue come try make a way out. Eh? Ma you me a deal with no, me not trouble the bat. You know why me not trouble the bat? I understand the bat. Come they deal with him my way. So I always try to get to me. But you know when me not do nothing. Are you me a fix? Me give a reason for come at me all the while. Stinking pussy twep twep. With the stinking self. A problem when I look. Problem. Me hear say the bat go live and I call up my name but I bring down place and I dem me I go girl Batman, leave me alone because I done with you from a couple of years about me done fix up your dirty blood clot and grab off the man off of your name and leave you with a BAT. But so what you say? Egyptian she goat. I saw she name dirty twep twep. You see how she look? With a little something in her big large forehead. Ramp with my girl, no, none of them can manage me. I'm the only cheese that can mildew or melt. And you think I joke me I make? You don't know, say I don't joke me I make. A serious thing. And this is just a little tip off of the iceberg. You know me go get bad and bougie and come at the people them see me in emotion and then it go get real. Yeah, cause this is like a blood clot radio now. So give them the TV show. You know you can't angle this. Cause your girl give me my blood clot props. You a girl give me cheesy my blood clot props. Yeah. And you know say me no need second for deal with none of you know. Me a rolling out and let her know go and touch on the like that. Me know everybody a drop. So what you say? What you say? Girl, all me I say, pray for your sister. Stop bring down a sister. The African them live good. Each African use one passport and bring over 10 African. Try do that in the Jamaicans. We are going to live better. Try do that. More than a year, see a girl try make it and I bring her down. Go suck your mother. Bad mind, twep twep, your bad mind. Twep twep, your bad mind. Your bad mind because she bad have all blood clot visa, you 18 fee visa. Yeah, can't choose she bad and never make you get the visa, you 18. A long time you not foreign words in a like a girl. Foreign 8 yo. Twep twep foreign 8 yo. Foreign 8 yo that blood clot. Suck on the mother all around you now. Me no need no help from you now no. No joke. Uno know nothing. Uno I know nothing. America for everybody. America for everybody. Right now we can't swim go over America. That me I tell you now. No joke. I just hold it like a G and say, you know, suck your mother. But you go fight against. Fight against me no shit house. Fight against me. Cause when I happen to listen, you see God have a way for work. Miracles. Yeah? And remember when you dig hole, you dig two. Dig blood clot too, don't dig one. Don't you dare dig one. Dig two. Oh yeah, there you trouble because you go live. I call up my blood clot name last night. And me ear. I adjust it today and I go say, me a trouble you. But man, a long time I call your name. You don't respond to what I want to do with my life is not your life. Though you do it with your life when me bring down bother. I never one bother there. Go suck your mama or one country. I true you come pave the way, make it go suck your mama or somebody make you know that way. Yeah. Think like one bag of blood clot steal shit too. Go away. Don't you dare dig one hole. Dig two. Person, chatterbox, you want to stay here so or you want to leave? Anybody add lava me, I block them blood clot. One more somebody add lava and see how me deal with them. One more girl or boy add lava right here and see how me deal with them. You know add lava again no? One more add lava no? Add him. Add him. Add him to the live. I see no black on no blood clot after this. Remember the show in the beginning yet, you know? So who wants to stay tuned? Alright, because you don't have no sense. You're mad. You drink mad pussy piss. Because you have to go. I don't even know what germs like you too. Come off of this. Go suck your mama. Who else run through this? Who else? Add no? Add shit house. Add shit and piss. Black up on a blood clot and gear on a mini black party or so. Wanna eat girl cause girl a try. Eh? Happy for girl. But everybody will watch live a rubbing out. Cause there is no way you can happy for a girl and a talk like that. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Oh, me not afraid of uno. No, me not afraid of mouth can't do me nothing. I don't know me I get fling out of places. So this would just add on to the counting. I me not overstay, yes, sir. Stinking Twep Twep. Remember you overstay, you illegal in a blood clot St. Kitts. I don't even know what the country name where they. Remember you illegal. When you're digging hole, you dig too. For me and you. Yeah? Cause you might step in at that blood clot and me alone left standing. Alright, now look like you're sliding night, my friend. And you run out and you're dead. Me not ask Christ and you don't even get nothing at. I too touch you and watch there. Cool emoji. Cool people a laugh. Stink like. You think like 10 man crepe. Yeah, I'm married. I see him stink this and I carry. They even know I call the woman name. Call her my name for man. I just saw the badness go down when I'm mad, you know? What you mean, Nikki? Call them and give them the address and make them come for me. Because when them come, them going to send me big visa. So cocky, girl. None of you can stop me. Watch people laugh off at dirty, holy face. Twep Twep, I dare you to come on the blood clot camera one day. And with the normal, natural blood clot camera without flame. And with the filter. Ugly blood clot, Twep. You're not 100 ugly now, you're 75. But suck, you want to filter make you look so girl, me know in a real life. In a real life, you see a holy face. In a real life, you have more than 10 dozen hole in your face. But on two sides, stinking pussy, Twep. It just blood clot begin. Cause you want to go at it with me. You buy this, you ask this shit house. But you run up a girl, you don't even know here. Big pussy girl. Big thinking pussy girl. When man thump them fists up in your pussy and it not get no struggling for go to one to so boo blood clot. If that thing says is a ear the man. No struggle for going with your big bumbo hole. Twep with the big bumbo hole. Twep with the big jam hole. Stinking old girl, you know say me can't tame in. You know me can't tame in. Oh, so I don't know who you are ramp with, but live up. I want to live up and come off a girl. Because I don't remember you, Twep. Me don't remember you. Me don't remember you. You hear say me there or me a try hour and you run and bring me down. Twep, I bring bomb bubble.
Jano, Twep and Cheese are my two girls, man. I hope they can work this out. But if not, you don't know the thing said. Two bad people. You feel me? People don't ever get the like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all because I run here so you get the latest in our dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.